How to create a successful website. Over the years, thousands of people have asked us, how did we create this website and how can they create their own? Today, I would like to share with you the simple strategy we use to build our websites, get millions of visitors and earn income on autopilot. Our techniques have been proven to work successful in many industries, for us and for other people. In some ways, you can consider what I'm about to share with you, your own blueprint to creating your first successful website. How successful? Well, I will leave that to you to decide. Let's get started. The 7 easy steps to creating a website. Choosing a name for your website. Hosting your domain. Setting up your website. Using WordPress. Customizing how your looks. Optimizing your website for search engines. Publishing content. This brings us all our traffic. Making money from your website. For each step, I will outline the most important tips and techniques we use. But, before you can get started, you need to decide what your website is going to be about. As for figuring out this, well, what are you passionate about? What is your greatest area of knowledge? How can you help people know the answer to this question? Then you are ready to begin. How to create a website and make money from it. Once you have your big idea, the first few steps you are going to take are very simple. You are going to brainstorm a name, register the command, then get some hosting for it. After that, you will install your website software in only a matter of a few clicks, followed by adding thousands of great designs available to you at the click of a button. This website software, called WordPress, which I'm sure most of you are well aware of, is not only far superior to anything else I've seen, but it's also easy to use. Oh, and did I mention, it's free. WordPress originated as a blogging software, but over the years, it's now more widely used to create any number of type of website, from an online store to a sales page. And of course, it's used to publish content. Content was the first thing we focused on when we create a website. It's one of the biggest reasons for our success, and that's why I recommend you also focus on it. Before you can expect to make any money, you have to attract people to your site, and the best way we have found to do this is to offer great free content. Now, if this is something that appeals to you, then let's begin. Step 1: choosing and registering a domain name. Before you do anything, you must decide on a name for your website and purchase your .com, or .co.uk, .org, .net, etc. I have a lot of domains. How I come up with the domains is simple. They are descriptive of what the site is about, so for example, expertphotography.com is about how to become an expert at photography. When my friend approached me to help him come up with a domain for an outsourcing site, I asked him, "What's the goals of your blog?" He told me it was to save entrepreneurs time by outsourcing. I recommended. He named his site SaveTimeOutsource.com. And that is what he went with. Personally, I would only go for a .com. It's the most popular and easiest to remember. And I would also keep the name as short as possible. To register your domain, go to a website called GoDaddy. If you live in the US, you will probably have seen their Super Bowl adverts. and already know who they are. A domain will set you back less than $10 a year and is one of the most important things to get right. Of course, feel free to shop around and choose a different registrar. The only main difference between companies is the level of customer support. .com/org.net/co. UK info. GoDaddy $9.59, $12.23. $10.19, $9.99, $9.99. Namecheap $10.69. $12.48, $12.88. $7.58. $2.99. $1 and $1.99. 99 cents. $8.99 99 cents. Domain.com $9.99. $14.99 $10.99 $4.99. Step 2: How to host your website on the internet. You're on my website right now. To do this, I have to host it on a server so that people can come and visit it. To do this, you rent some space on a server for around $5 a month and can put all your files on it, and thousands of people can come and visit it without any hassle. I personally recommend to start with you use HostGator. They have 24/7 live support with agents who will always be happy to help you with any issue you may have. One of the main reasons why I recommend hosting with HostGator is because they have a tool in their user control panel called Quick Install, which allows you to install WordPress website software with one click. When ordering your hosting, use coupon code INCOMMEDIARY25 to get 25% off your order. Now that you have a domain and web hosting, you have to let them know you want to use the two together. You do this with name servers. When you purchase your hosting from HostGator, they will email you two name servers. You then log into GoDaddy, edit your domain settings and type in your name server address. Then your domain and hosting will be connected. Name servers. Here is a selection of well-known hosting companies you can choose between. WebHost are Thoughts Plans, Bluehost, consistent uptime and flexible hosting plans. For medium traffic websites, $19.99, hosting for WordPress, $2.95, shared, $19.99, virtual, private server. HostGator superb customer service and very user friendly. 2.78, single domain. $3.98, unlimited domain. $5.98, unlimited domain plus free private SSL IP and free toll-free number. Liquid Web. All our websites are hosted with Liquid Web. $119. Hosting for WordPress, $150. Scalable websites, $159. Dedicated servers, $59. Managed VPS hosting with SSD, $199. Fully managed dedicated servers that include tons of extras. WP Engine, well known in the industry to offer great page speeds. Ideal hosting solution for higher traffic websites. $29. Personal, $99. Professional, $249. Business. Media Temple. Exceptional uptime and value with easily scalable plans for growing sites. $20. Shared, $20. Managed WordPress, $30. VPS, Managed hosting and AWS. Cloud hosting, call for quote. Step 3, setting up your website. Next I will show you how to install your website in less than 30 seconds for free, something I have seen programmers charge as much as $500 to do. I recommend everybody uses WordPress to run their website. It's the most popular website platform and is used by more than half of all new websites. I use it and it doesn't matter if a site is big or small, it's the best choice. Back when I started installing website software would be no easy task. You would have to upload thousands of files and learn lots of technical stuff, which no one wants to do. However, now all you need to do is log into your hosting control panel and click Quick Install. Install WordPress, less than 30 seconds. Later your blog is installed. You have a website on the internet and you can start publishing content.